What's up, guys? Brandon here from the 360 Products, the wireless technology company. It is freaking hot in California, but I'm having a great old time teaching you guys something new every time, and I love it. So thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to talk about how to fold these towels. So you've already learned what a microfiber towel does and why they're different colors, and now you're going to learn about how to fold these babies. So we're going to start with the obvious one, which is the body. Everybody wants to always talk about which one's good for the body. So in my first video I explained that the black towel is what I recommend. And now we're going to teach you how to fold these things. So a lot of people you'll see out there, they'll use a towel like this. Just like there's a way to use a napkin correctly, so you're not using the whole napkin. You know, when you're using a napkin, some people go like that and then they just bundle it up and it's gone. No. That's the wrong way. Just like you never use just both the sides of the microfiber towel. That's the wrong way to use it. You're not using it to its full potential. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it to its full potential. So what you want to do is you want to open your towel all the way up, your microfiber towel, and then you want to hot dog it, which is just like this. Okay? And then you want to sandwich it. Just like this. Now, what does this do for you? It doesn't do anything for anybody else. It does it for you. And why that's important? Because it's going to save you time when you detail your car. So now I just showed you guys how to get 8 sides out of your microfiber towel. Now, how is that possible? Let me show you. You have 1, you have 2. If you unsandwich it and sandwich it the other way, you have 3, 4. If you open up the towel all the way and redo the process as far as sandwiching the opposite way, okay? And now you sandwich it again. Now you have an additional 4 sides. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. You have 8 sides to work with rather than 2, rather than 4, rather than 6. Now you have 8 sides to work with. So that's going to save you a lot of time when you're applying a wax, when you're doing compound, when you're doing sealants to take off all that excess residue or applying it. It's going to save you a lot of time detailing the car. So that's for the body. Now, basically the general rule, I'm not going to go through all these towels, but basically if you have the same size microfiber towel, like this one's the same size, this one's the same size, the interior of the one is the same size, the waffle towel is the same size. If it's the same size, it's the general rule. Sandwich, hot dog and sandwich, and you'll get the same size and layout just like this. Now, when you're coming to a bigger towel like this is a window towel. You guys didn't watch the first video. This one, same thing. You want to hot dog it, and then you want to sandwich it, just like this. Now, the only difference is if you watched my first video, I told you that these have edges on them, and the edges can scratch the car. Now for the window, you have to put a lot of pressure to scratch that window, guys, to have that edge scratch the window. So for the window towel, it's just a quick little, you can wipe it down. So you don't have to worry about the edges on the window. But when it comes to the body and drying, these are the drying towels that I recommend to use. They're very plush, they're very absorbent. So same thing, you want to sandwich or hot dog and sandwich. Of course, since this is a weird kind of size, it kind of looks the same. Sandwich, 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 sandwich. So you'll see if you ever pick one of these up, you'll see what I'm talking about. But they don't look like something like this, right? So we're going to be explaining how to use these properly. So you're not touching the edges on the vehicle. But I just want to show you guys how the way you would fold this drying towel. You don't want to use a drying towel like this all over the car, because then you're using, like if you're drying yourself in the shower, you don't want to do that. You want to use these towels to the full potential and life expectancy before you have to basically wash them again, which we'll talk about. So same thing goes with the blue one, by the way. So that's basically it. That's how you basically fold the towel, guys. These dirty ones over here, if you saw the first video, you know what I use them for, and you don't have to worry about how to fold this correctly. As you can see, it's a habit for me, because I do it all the freaking time, but For these dirty ones, you don't have to. So that's basically, guys, that's how you basically fold the microfiber towels. And so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys learned something new. Please comment below, have questions, do that. Follow us on our Instagram, which you can find at 360products.co. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, please. If this was helpful to you, share it with a friend. You might help and impact somebody else's life who doesn't know much about detailing. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. We'll be talking about how to take care of these puppies as far as our first introduction to our first product in the 360 lineup. So thank you for your time, guys. Really appreciate it. Like I said, this is Brandon from the 360 Products, the wireless technology company, and I'll see you guys in the next one.